Here is how you will use the online protractor to measure the angles for the law of reflection. First, search for online protractor and choose the one from Ginifab.com. The protractor will work against a background image you can upload. You can get the image from the video Optics Lab ray tracing examples. You will need a screen capture software for this. In my example, I used the print screen option on my computer and copied the image into the Paint software. I cropped the image and saved it to import into the online Protractor software. Upload using browsing on your computer and then click Upload Image. Let's resize our protractor and then using its center, click, hold, and drag it so that it is centered on the point where the light ray strikes the edge of the mirror. In this example, the protractor aligns with the edge of the mirror. At this point, take out a single piece of paper, hold it against the screen, and trace in the edge of the mirror and label. You should also trace in the 90-degree line, which is the normal to the mirror. Next, the video will dim the outside lights so you can better see the incident and reflected rays. Again, take a screenshot and create a new image that you can import into the Protractor software. Use the white protractor color, resize, and again center where the ray strikes the mirror. Make sure to trace out the rays on the piece of paper where you had drawn the mirror's edge and the normal to the surface. The angle of incidence and angle of reflection are both measured relative to the normal to the surface. To calculate this angle, take the 90 degrees and subtract from it the angle that you see for the incident ray. To get the angle of reflection, look at its angle and from it subtract 90 degrees. In this example, 90 degrees minus 75 degrees makes for an angle of incidence of 15 degrees. 105 degrees minus 90 degrees is also 15 degrees for the angle of reflection. This verifies the law of reflection. Continue on with the video that then demonstrates the reflection of rays for a second and then third angle of incidence and reflection. Remember that your diagram must include depiction of the edge of the mirror, the normal to the surface, the incident and reflected rays, and measurements for the angle of incidence and reflection.